favorable effects of olive oil on body weight. A Mediterranean diet high in olive oil has been related to weight loss in multiple studies. A 30-month study of nearly 7,000 Spanish college students found no relationship between olive oil and weight gain. Also, a diet high in olive oil was associated to enhanced antioxidant levels and weight reduction in a 3-year trial of 187 people. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fatty acids. In a 4-week research, overweight men who consumed monounsaturated fats instead of saturated fat lost modest but substantial weight compared to those who ate saturated fats despite no change in total fat or calorie intake. Recent study confirms that unsaturated fatty acids are probably better than saturated fats for weight management. In animal trials, diets high in monounsaturated fats prevented weight increase and fat buildup. Olive oil also contains medium-chain triglycerides, which have long been investigated for their involvement in healthy weight reduction and maintenance. MCTs are triglycerides with 6 to 12 carbon atoms, that are swiftly digested and absorbed by the liver for energy. One research found that when MCTs were compared to long-chain triglycerides, MCTs increased the synthesis of appetite-regulating hormones such peptide YY, which enhances feelings of fullness. Thank you for watching.